Sanibona, ngaphambi singene kwivideo namuhla, ngithi angithathe lethuba ngibonge i-support nothando enikhombise lona lingaphezu kokucabanga kwethu. Siyacela niqhubeke nisupporte njalo ngokubuka amavideo ethu, ungakhohlwa ukukhomenta, ushare, ulike. Siyafisa ukuzwa umbono wakho. Sicela ke singene kwivideo namuhla. MK Treasurer General dismissed after he appointed an auditing firm to conduct forensic investigations into the missing millions. You don't ask Zuma to try to investigate when there's missing funds unless you are tired of working. Ask Hlophe and Mpiyakhe. Post engidibane nayo le uma ngibrowsa lapha ku-X yaziwa nge-Twitter ukuthi u-Treasurer General we-MK Party usedismissiwe. Basifakile-ke ne-statement. Kodwa ngihambile ngaya ku-official page yomkhonto wesizwe party ukuconfirma noma ukuqinisekisa lolu daba, ngathola ukuthi azange umkhonto wesizwe party awukazi ubhale lutho, awukazi usho lutho. Ngakho-ke ngithi angilwenze lolu daba, sikhulume ngalo noma singenaqiniso lalo ngoba umkhonto wesizwe party awukasho lutho. Khumbula ukuthi kuthiwa there are two sides to serve a story. Into enza ukuthi ngenze le video ke mina ukuthi kwenzeka lento ade isho uJabulani Khumalo. uJabulani Khumalo bekakwishow kaBhuti uMashiyane ebizwa kuthiwa i-politically incorrect. Lapha afika asazisa khona ukuthi uDuduzane Zuma uzoba uDeputy President womkhonto wesizwe party, futhi hayi ukuthi into esazokwenziwa. Already usebekiwe just ukuthi awukakatshela umphakathi. Kodwa umuntu ozoba uDeputy President womkhonto wesizwe party uDuduzane Zuma. Manje la uzochaza kuJabulani Khumalo ukuthi kungani esho njalo. Kungani uDuduzane Zuma ezokweqa uThoni Yengeni. Ngoba ngokusho kaJabulani Khumalo uDr John Hlophe bebethi bayambuyisa kodwa yena wanqaba. Kunalokho waresigna kumkhonto wesizwe party. Ngithe uma ngikhuluma ngeviki eliphelile ngathi umkhonto wesizwe party kusafuneke ulibhekisise udaba le-succession. Nanokuthi ubani ozothatha emveni kaPresident Zuma okuyena ozoba umholi waleli qembu. Ngoba njengoba siphila emhlabeni kunemvelo ethi wonke umuntu ophilayo ngelinye ilanga uzawukufa, imvelo leyo. Futhi uPresident Zuma sekakhulile ukuthi ngathiwa impela unikwe responsibility ukuthi akawubhekana nama-member eParliament aphendane nemibuzo, usekhulile. Into edingeka kuye i-wisdom yakhe. So funeka leyo ndaba leyo, kodwa funeka bayiplane kusemanje, bafundise nomphakathi ukuthi i-party i-organization. Yebo umholi wayo uJacob Zuma nama-principles mhlawumbe abahamba ngawo akaJacob Zuma, kodwa i-party must outlive anyone kumkhonto wesizwe party. So sizokhumbula futhi ukuthi wake wathi ngelinye ilanga ekhuluma wathi ukuba abamnqandanga ngabe usexosha abaningi kabi. Wayisholwa yena. Ucaphunela ivideo kaJabulani Khumalo uzwe ukuthi utheni. Emveni kwevideo kaJabulani Khumalo sobe sesifunda ke istatement lesi esikhishwe lo ofake le post esivele ofisini lika president siya ku Treasurer General okuMpiyakhe. Ngimgcine kuMpiyakhe, ngisazi isibongo sakhe ukuthi ubani.
Hlophe is out of the party.
He's out of the party. He resigned. In actual fact, they were trying to get him back, but he put his resignation. Then he left.
Now, between Duduzane and Hlophe, no, between Duduzane and Thoni Yengeni, who's the senior? Who's next to the president?
It's supposed to be Thoni Yengeni, but this is Zuma still failed. Family still failed. So Yengeni will never be closer to Zuma because he believes everybody wants to kill him.
Are you saying Jacob Zuma promoted Duduzane ahead of Thoni Yengeni?
Because of finances, he needed money. So Duduzane took him to Dubai some weeks ago, and then managed to fundraise. So he moved everybody that were part of fundraising. He said they are failures. So then he brought in the Duduzane because Duduzane managed to fundraise. As he always, Duduzane has always fundraised for his father. He has always been there supporting him.
Enkulumo kaKhumalo ngishiya nemibuzo eminingi. Owokuqala ukuthi uZuma xosha laba baseduze kwakhe ngoba behlulekile ukufundraiser lawo ma-funds lawo uDuduzana kwazile ukuthi amraisele wona bewabhekene ne-MK Party na. Ngikubuza lo mbuzo ngoba uJacob Zuma unenselelo ukuthi efuneka akhokhe imali engango-28.9 million yalama iy'ndleko zamacala ekhokhelwa zona i-state njengokusho kwe-High Court. Khumbula ukuthi uzamile ukuli-aphila lolu daba, i-Supreme Court of Appeal yasichitha isicelo sakhe. Ngakho-ke kufanele akhokhe leyo mali leyo. So uDuduzane mayisiza ubaba wakhe ukufundraiser, beka-fundraise ukuthi akhokhe leyo mali noma beka-fundraisela iqembu. UMashiyane uyekile lo mbuzo bekufuneka acacise ulo ukuthi okay, uma ebese fundraisela ukukhokhela yena iy'ndleko lezi abekezona njengoba inkantolo yamthola ukuthi waphula umthetho ufanele ayikhokhe back ngoba wakhokhelwa imali estate kodwa amacala ebebhekene naye ngesikhathi ayesewu-president. Uma ngabe laba bantu bekufuneka bafundraise ukuze akhokheke leyo mali leyo, lithendeka ngaphi iqembu ngoba phela lolu daba libhekene nayo uJacob Zuma. Sekungaba iqembu mangathiwa nje liyafuna ukumsiza. So khumbula ukuthi nangokudlule sakhuluma ngabantu ngosomathuba abasebenza igebengu sebekhipha i-account kuthiwa mawufuna ukulekelela uJacob Zuma ungadonate la, sebekhipha ama-account wabo abantu. Sasayenza ivideo sasathi xwayani bantu bakithi ngoba sekukhona osomathuba abenza lokho kuncola. Manje ke noma uKhumalo usitshela ukuthi bekufundraiser kodwa into ebeyifundraiser bekufundraiser for iqembu MK Party. Bekufuneka uKhumalo asihlukanisele la ngoba sinalo ulwazi, nawe uyazi nami ngiyazi ukuthi uJacob Zuma afuneka akhokhe imali engango-28.9 million. Asiqhubeke.
Sure. Okay. The Secretary General, they said he's just a temporary Secretary General. I think since Floyd, I've seen that gentleman once.
He was a stooge.
He was a stooge.
He was never a SG.
Now, who is it?
He's been milking MK Zuma's Stofel 300,000 every month for security, for hotels and stuff. They've never recognized him. And it's not only him that has been cut off. There's a number of people that were laid off, and so that Zuma can put his people. Remember, what works is money. If you've got money,
No, but
bring money
but
to
good
Zuma, and Zuma will take you and remove the one that is no longer having money to pay.
the
Zuma
good
wants
Treasurer General they called Hamilton Limba.
Limba. Treasurer
Yes, the Treasurer General.
is no longer Vigimbi.
No. The Treasurer General, the person who handles money at MK is Hamilton Limba.
Yes, true. Mbiake, yeah.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
I understand, but he was from Gauteng.
Yes, from Gauteng. He
Yeah.
was Gauteng.
But he's on the way also.
He's going as well.
He's
They're going to get rid of him.
they'll get rid of.
Reason?
Zuma, when he's tired of seeing your face, he will just usher you out.
Usho kaKhumalo, uSecretary General we-MK Party udismissiwe. Omunye futhi umuntu uTreasurer General we-MK Party udismissiwe. Akushoyo nje yena ukuthi uma kuZuma ungezinamali noma esekhathele ubuso bakho ukufaka indlela. Kusho-ke uKhumalo. Asazi ukuthi kuyiqiniso kangakanani noma kungamanga kodwa sizwa ngoKhumalo. Ngomhla ka-1 January 2025 kwaphuma amaletha mhlawumbe ayi-2 noma 3 kunabantu i-MK Party ayibaxosha okwakubalwa kuwo omunye ubhuti wakaZuma sengikhohlwe igama lakhe kube uDr Mbanjwa. NgoJanuwari manje sekuJanuwari uma kuyiqiniso shuthi baxoshe futhi 2 uSecretary General kanye noTreasurer General. Aziyabuya kubi pha kwaShugwede. Asifunde nasi statement sizwe ukuthi sithini sona. Statement lesi siphuma office lika president siya kuComrade Mpiyakhe Limba MK Party Treasurer General, sisuka kuComrade Jacob Gedleyi Hlekisa Zuma President we-MKP and uCommander General. Sibhalwe ngomhla ka-8 kuJanuwari 2026. Isihloko sithi MKP's Unenviable Financial Condition. Revolutionary Greetings, Comrade TG. Having considered all factors affecting the pitfall financial crisis our organization is undergoing, I have taken a hard look at the core reasons for this. Among others are: 1. Failure by our treasurer to budget and allocate expenditure accordingly. 2. Lack of financial discipline characterized by unorthodox and random transactions and events which end up depleting funds prematurely. 3. Failure by treasurer to raise funds. Even after 9 months, the treasurer has been in the organization's employment. And 4. Self-admission by TG at Beverly Hill Hotel, Mhlanga, on the 18th of December 2025, that he is not qualified in the field of finance or treasury-related discipline. The above-mentioned reasons have not only interfered with but have also incapacitated parliamentary account to some extent, and to a greater degree KZN and Eastern Cape Province in terms of financial discipline. For example, a case was made by Comrade Andy from the Eastern Cape in the 4th quarter of 2025, where you unilaterally decided to transfer funds out of Eastern Cape MKP legislature account without due consultation process and agreement. On the same date, 18 December 2025, KZN principals represented to me in your presence millions you have taken out of their accounts and promised to reimburse them. Yet to date you have not done so. These are serious actions of gross misconduct, Comrade TG. You committed a gross violation of the auditor's professional conduct when you hired or contracted, whichever applies, one of the MKP's audit firms, principals or staff to serve as Chief Financial Officer in the Financial Quarter of 2025. This is a serious issue which should not have happened. Besides, the organization's finance should not be left in the hands of the consultant or outsiders without any proper safeguards. This act has compromised not only MKP but the integrity of the hired or contracted CFO himself. On the 23rd of December 2025, we gathered at the Radisson Hotel at Umhlanga to present names of the potential fundraisers following the President's request on the 18th of December 2025 to form a special fundraising committee which must have acted swiftly in raising much needed funds even during this festive season. As Treasurer General, you were entrusted with the responsibility to put together the committee once the names had been tabled, which committee would include the President and other suitable fundraisers. To date, you have not reported any progress, yet the undesigned had made it glaringly clear that fundraising was such an urgent matter which necessitated fundraisers to start scouting for funds immediately. Given all facts, as clearly stated above, you are hereby discharged from your duties as Treasurer General of Umkhonto weSizwe with immediate effect. We thank you for your past contributions while serving as MKP's Treasurer General. We wish you well with your future endeavors. Yours in the revolution, Comrade Jacob Gedleyi Hlekisa Zuma, President of Umkhonto weSizwe Party, wasiyasayina. Nje singabeka ipolitiki eceleni. ngoba uma ufunda iposta lomuntu obhalile ubhala ukuthi u-Treasurer General ususwe kumkhonto wesizwe party ngoba eqashe i-audit firm. Kodwa uma usufunda izathu uyabona ukuthi nawe nje une-organization, abantu bekhona ku-organization abasebenza khona benama-responsibilities ahlukene. Uma bengawenzi ama-duties wabo noma bengakwenzi lokho abaqashelwe khona, isidingo sokubagcina yisiphi? Ngale nje kwepolitiki, asike sibeke ipolitiki eceleni. Mhlawumbe uKhumalo ngoba le letter le yangomhla ka-8, umhla ka-8 ubungolwesine. Mhlawumbe uKhumalo beseyibonile le letter. Yengakho ekhuluma ngendaba ze-fundraising, la ngithi mina le nto esho uKhumalo ingishiye nemibuzo. Kodwa-ke u-Treasurer General kungcono ukubuhluleka ezamile ukuthi wenzile i-fundraising. Okwesibili, unikezwe i-task kwahlanganiswa amagama, kodwa ahlanganisa i-team kuqale kuyofunwa ama-funds. Kungcono bekuthiwa u-Treasurer General ukwenzile lokho, wayehlanganisa i-team, then behluleka bezamile besizothi hhayi-ke le nto yenziwa uJacob Zuma is unreasonable, ayikho reasonable ukuthi ungavele nje wena usukele nje umkhipha umuntu ngoba ningawatholanga ama-funds. Kodwa uma engawenzanga umsebenzi wakhe and kunemali ukuthi uyithathile engaconsultanga, noma angashiwo ukuthi uyidlile yena, cha, uyithathe kwenye indawo wayisa kwenye indawo, kodwa bekufuneka consult nephuzu futhi abalibekayo la uqasha khona ikhampani eze-auditor. Kufanele kwenziwe isiqinisekiso sokuthi information ye-organization iphephile. Awuvele uqashe nje i-audit company ezo-auditor nje kunezinto ongadlulanga wazibheka. Ngale nje kwepolitiki, kodwa le nto abayishoyo iyawakha umqondo ngesingambi uma ubuka izathu, ngoba kuvelanga kwathiwa nje uyadismisswa wena ngoba futhi uhlulekile ufundraiser, cha. Uyasho ukuthi awukwazanga ukuplana accordingly, ziyabalwa izathu ezenza ukuthi akhululwe noma adismisswe. So ngenxa yokuthi siphila-ke kulezwe elinje elinepolitiki, abantu bazokhuluma noma yini, kodwa nje uma ufunda le letter ufunda nezathu, akusiso lesizathu esishuwo uKhumalo. Ngicela ukuze ukuphawula kwakho la comment section ngizwe ukuthi wena uthini.